to another video. Today's gonna be a beautiful Saturday. I'm on my way to Lamborghini of Newport Beach. My buddy actually just purchased a new Lamborghini STO, so we're gonna do like a little delivery reveal video for you guys, and I'll take you guys with me. It's gonna be lots of fun, and then after that we're gonna go to Cars and Coffee and have some more fun. So for now, enjoy the ride. That was fun. Too much fun. Ooh, that's how you guys get in trouble sometimes with supercars, you know? It's so nice. I just love it. And we have arrived. Lamborghini of Newport Beach. This is where all the dreams come true. And that's Chris right there on his Lamborghini Gallardo. What's up, big guy?
What up, lad?
You ready for your new whip or what?
Today is the day we get the new STO, guys.
That's when dreams come true.
This is when dreams come true.
So that's Chris. His dreams came true today. He's getting his Lamborghini Super Trofeo. That's a big day, special big day. Lots of hard work, but he finally achieved them. Achieved the unachievable, how they say. So let's park. We'll take some cool shots of all the beautiful Lamborghinis and McLarens around here, and then we're gonna reveal his Super Trofeo. There she is, huh?
Do you break the champagne over the front end of a car? Or is that only for ships? Look at this, you guys. Champagne. You got glasses.
Ready for SEMA.
Coming. Oh, we're doing it right now.
Here it comes. Woo! Wow. That's a beauty. What do you think, Chris?
Here it is, you guys.
Dreams come true.
For Supercar Garage. The Huracan STO.
She's a beauty. And the most important. Let's see that key.
I'm shaking.
Now you're gonna be official. Once you have that key in your hands, woo! That's it.
Check that out.
The new owner of STO.
Does it work?
Oh, we hear clicking.
Go sit in it. Yeah. Make sure it's the key in that car.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at this, you guys.
Wow. What a beauty. Best feeling ever, huh?
Dude, I'm telling you. Wow.
Like a little kid.
I don't know what to I don't know what to think.
You deserved it, buddy. You worked really hard to get here. And the grind doesn't stop.
The grind doesn't stop. The grind just started.
I guess YouTube pays really well nowadays, huh?
Not yet, but it will. It better.
Yeah.
YouTube. You subscribe to your
So follow his channel. He's gonna do a bunch of goodies to that car. Obviously, there's gonna be modifications, exhaust, wrap, maybe wheels. So who knows what's gonna be the future with this car? But definitely, it's gonna be a bright future. Lots of cool stuff. So follow his channel. I'll put it in the description. Woo, that sounds amazing.
It looks a lot better with the supercharger on it.
Woo.
Oh, just not the same.
Oops.
avoid the warranty.
Here goes the warranty.
We're gonna have an intervention if you start digging into this thing.
Oh, definitely needs a supercharger, exhaust, a tune.
It needs exhaust.
Exhaust for sure. Probably the
Exhaust for
first
sure.
thing, right?
I'm not taking off the cats. I'm not doing headers. I'm not doing any of that kind of stuff. But it's going to get an exhaust at some point, and it'll get supercharged at some point. Just
BF supercharger.
yeah, just not anytime real soon. My plan is to drive the car for 6
Enjoy it.
months, a year, whatever. Break the car in, make sure all the bugs are out of it,
And then go big.
and then blow the warranty.
Exactly.
Oh, hey, it's only $500,000 car. Who needs a warranty? Who needs a warranty?
They're bulletproof. Not a bad way to start your Saturday. Definitely not gonna be a garage queen.
No, brother.
This is gonna be
This is a daily driver every single day. You want me to take the dog to the vet or go to the store and pick up milk?
That's where she's gonna go.
This is it.
That's what's up. Well, congratulations, brother, once
Hey,
again, man.
thanks
You
for
deserved it, yeah.
You coming to Cars and Coffee with
Of course. Gotta roll together, brother. So that's it. We're all ready to go to Cars and Coffee. Just pulled up to Cars and Coffee, man. That was a very, very fun drive with the homies. But yeah, that's gonna be a very busy day, it looks like. So many cars already here. Yeah, nice. Thank you. What's up, brother?
Mr. LNC himself, good to see you.
Yep.
What's up?
What's up, Andrew?
In the house.
What's going on, brother?
What's going on, man?
So you got your VIP spot
I got
right
my
in the
VIP
corner.
I got my VIP spot, and the one right next to it is for you.
Yep. Just arrived at Cars and Coffee, and I got my buddy Andrew over there. Got a corner unit, and you guys know, gotta leave the doors open. That's the best part about McLaren. The doors go up. My favorite.
It is a Lamborghini Huracan and Corsa on steroids.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Until
Best
you
ride
drive
ever,
an
huh?
STO, you don't even know. I'll let you guys drive it. You guys will get your chance.
I need a ride too.
You need a ride?
Yeah, I need a ride. Ride first, then drive.
So who's gonna drive your car while you ride my car?
Who's on the insurance?
Everybody kind of goes,
No insurance. No insurance.
dude, I can't even tell you.
Good feeling, huh?
It's so.
How could you see out the windshield with that erection all the way down here?
You can't. It's just in the way the whole time. The damn chicken.
I'm not
Because the car
The
had
car
what?
had 52 miles. So
50,
yeah,
yeah.
it's 60.
So
65
by the end of the
miles.
day or by the end of the weekend, probably gonna have like 500 miles,
It'll
huh?
have 500 miles on it by the end of this weekend. Easily.
Yeah,
Easily. And then, of course, are you going to SEMA?
of course.
Okay, so Tuesday, this is going to SEMA. We're going to put both of these cars in there.
So we're gonna party.
It's going to be a party.
First things first, we gotta go grab some Starbucks, get the morning going. Got my Starbucks, now we're ready to go. Cheers. Happy Saturday, my friend. Ah, tastes delicious. Now let's go look at all the cool cars. that is it, my friends. We're done with Cars and Coffee. What a beautiful morning. I love mornings like that. Lots of fun, and I try to get out as much as I can because you meet new cool people every time, and it's a lot of fun. So if you guys ever in San Clemente, highly recommend come out and check out Cars and Coffee. So for now, thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!